Guests love great burgers, but first, they have to try them. If you serve amazing burgers, it's time to put your restaurant on the map with Hellmann's Burger Route, one of the biggest burger festivals in the world. In 2018, Burger Route ads drove almost 1 million people to search the burger locator site, resulting in more guest visits and increased burger sales at those restaurants during the campaign. This year, we help guests find your restaurant, enjoy your burgers, and save money doing it. Here's how it works. Ads reach guests when they're near your restaurant, leading to the burger locator page where your restaurant is featured. Once there, our digital coupon encourages guests to save on your burgers all summer long. We handle all the coupon details. There's no extra work or cost for you. Your guests get a great deal on delicious burgers, and since the program is funded by UFS, you get the sale. Burger Route members also receive social media tips and posts to help drive traffic and generate excitement. Here's what operators are saying about Burger Route.
I'm Andrew Zarica from Andrew's Classic Roadside Hamburgers by Hard Time Sundays. It's been great being a participant in Hellmann's Burger Route. It's been a great promotion, it drives more traffic, and it sells a hell of a lot more burgers. Join Burger Route 2019.
Reach more guests and serve more burgers when you join Hellmann's Burger Route. Contact your Unilever Food Solutions representative and ask to join Burger Route today, or sign up at ufs.com/burgerroute.